Intel, once the leading entity in semiconductor technology, now faces significant challenges as the industry transitions towards artificial intelligence and advanced graphic processing units. NVIDIA has risen as the key player, achieving a 126% increase in revenue to $60.9 billion, whereas Intel has experienced a 14% decrease in revenue to $54.2 billion. This downturn has led Intel to initiate a 15% reduction in its workforce, a report of $1.6 billion net loss in Q2 2024, casting doubt on its prospects. How did Intel, once the dominant force in microprocessor development, encounter difficulties in an era characterized by supercomputing and AI-driven technological advancements? Let's examine this significant shift in detail. In the late 1960s, Silicon Valley was at a technological inflection point. Engineers Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore were on the verge of a major innovation, having already achieved significant advancements in integrated circuits. They aimed to establish a company that would leverage these technologies to drive a new era in computing. Consequently, in 1968, Intel Corporation was established, with its name derived from integrated electronics, indicating its focus on advancing semiconductor technology. Intel's initial focus was on developing memory chips, but the company gained prominence with the release of the microprocessor in 1971. The Intel 4004, the first microprocessor ever created, integrated the functionality of an entire computer onto a single silicon chip. This technological breakthrough was instrumental in the personal computer revolution, exemplified by IBM's selection of Intel's 8088 microprocessor for its inaugural PC in 1981. During the 1980s, Intel advanced its technological portfolio by launching the Pentium microprocessor in 1993. This processor introduced significant improvements in speed and performance for personal computing systems. The Pentium market success reinforced Intel's position as a leading semiconductor manufacturer and established its brand recognition. How has Intel's journey from Pentium days to now led to its current problems? Intel, once a dominant entity in semiconductor sector, is now at critical juncture. The company has been surpassed by competitors such as NVIDIA and AMD. Intel is facing reduced demand for conventional data center processing units and experiences delays in the advancement of artificial intelligence accelerators. Intel's stock price has declined by over 40% this year, while competitors NVIDIA and AMD have seen their stock price increases. Intel is pursuing a recovery strategy centered on advancing AI processor technology and expanding its manufacturing capabilities. However, analysts anticipate that achieving significant improvements will be a prolonged process, with Taiwan's TSMC continuing to lead the industry. Intel is implementing a 17% reduction in capital expenditures for 2025 and is dealing with operational setbacks in China following the revocation of certain export licenses by the US government. What caused these major changes, and how have new technological trends and increased competition made Intel's situation more difficult? In 2020, Apple, a long-time user of Intel processors, transitioned to its own custom silicon by launching the M1 chip based on ARM architecture. Concurrently, NVIDIA emerged as a dominant player in the fields of AI and graphics processing, leveraging its high-performance GPUs to secure a dominant position. Amidst the competitive landscape, AMD emerged as a significant contender with its Ryzen processors and Radeon GPUs, providing a robust alternative to Intel's offering. But the question is, how is Intel addressing these significant challenges, and what strategic steps is it taking to regain its competitive edge? Under the strategic direction of CEO Pat Gelsinger, Intel is implementing the IGM 2.0 initiative, a comprehensive plan aimed at overhauling its semiconductor manufacturing infrastructure and expanding its foundry services. This strategy involves enhancing internal production capabilities and extending chip manufacturing to external clients. However, the execution of IDM 2.0 entails significant financial outlays and the intricate management of both internal fabrication processes and external production partnerships. Despite Gelsinger's intensive efforts, Intel's path to recovery is highly complex. the company must achieve substantial and timely innovation to avoid being overtaken by competitors. Failure to execute effectively and adapt to evolving technological demands will further erode Intel's market position and lead to severe ramifications within the competitive semiconductor sector.